today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make some vegan donuts and they're super yummy, and here's what you're going to need. So for the dry ingredients, you're going to need 1 cup of soft raising flour, preferably organic, half a cup of wholemeal flour, half a cup of coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. So for the wet ingredients, you're going to need 1 cup of almond milk, a 1/4 cup of ground flax seeds with 3/4 cups of water. This is going to be your egg replacement. If you prefer to use another egg replacement, that's okay. 3 tablespoons of almond butter. This is super easy to make. All you do is blend almonds in a food processor for a few minutes until it starts to the oil will start to release. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. Now add your wet ingredients to the dry. Now you're going to put it into a Ziploc bag. So you can either put these in a donut tray in the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for around about 10 minutes or to 15 minutes. Unless you have a donut maker like I do, you can put it in here. For the icing, what I've done is I mix in some icing sugar with a tiny bit of water. So then for the berry one, what I've done, I haven't used any food colouring. All I've done is put in some frozen berries and just mixed it around with it until the colour starts to come off the berries into the icing. For the chocolate one, I have used the same icing base and mixed it with some cocoa powder. The icing is dunk it in.